hear from me, you're going to see a pause. Or I might tell you to, now it's your turn to answer the question. Then you would answer the question. You'd have a few seconds before you answer the question. The advantage that you have is that you can always repeat the questions by pausing and repeating or rewatching the part of the video which had the questions. Let's start. These are just simple, basic sentences. What's your name? What's your name? Your turn. Where are you from? Where are you from? What's your surname? What's your family name? What's your first name? What's your first name? What's your address? What's your address? What's your telephone number? What's your telephone number? What's your email address? What's your email address? How old are you? How old are you? When were you born? When were you born? What's your birthday? What's your birthday? Are you married? Are you married? Are you single? Are you single? Are you American? Are you American? And this is the end of the second moment of speaking, or the second speaking moment. Now, I would review all your answers. For everybody out there who gave their answers, do not worry about your accent. Do not worry about whether you were slow in answering or whether you were fast. What's important is to respond to the answers. You're going to be slow today, but you'll be fast tomorrow. I'll see you in the